Hey designers! Today we're exploring a really cool AI tool that not many people know about. It's called Whishk.AI. So let's jump right into it. Open your browser and search Whishk.AI. This is the website, a free AI image generator that lets you create visuals just by typing what you want. Click on the option that says Try Whishk.AI. It'll ask you to log in first, so go ahead and do that. Click on Enter Tool. It'll guide you through a few short steps. Just keep clicking Continue, and then get started. Now we're inside the main tool. The first thing we'll do is give it a prompt and see how it performs. I'll type Create a chessboard with mouse characters on it. Once you press Enter, it'll start generating your image. It actually did a nice job, but I wanted more of the mice to be placed directly on the chessboard. So let's make the prompt a bit more specific and detailed. I'll write a detailed 3D chessboard with tiny mouse characters as chess pieces, each wearing miniature armor and holding acorn wrappers. Press Enter, and it's going to take a little time to process. Once it's done, this is the result, and wow, it looks amazing. It really nailed all the details this time. And here's something cool, if you want to go a step further and animate the image. So here, just click on the animate option at the top of the picture. Once you click on it, it will ask you to write a prompt for the animation. But before we actually animate and give it a prompt, let me tell you something. When it comes to animation, this AI doesn't always get everything perfect. Sometimes it creates results that aren't very accurate, because of course, it has its own limitations. But at the same time, it can also surprise you with how good it does, especially when the animation is minimal or subtle. For simple movements and smooth camera motion, it actually performs really well. So let's go ahead and move them in the animation prompt box and press Enter. It'll take a few seconds to load. Once it's done, let's play the video and see the result. The camera movement looks really nice. It gives that smooth cinematic motion, but you can see that the chess pieces are kind of swapping in and out, like the black ones are turning into white and so on. Still, the overall camera motion is very good. So if you're looking for a subtle camera animation or a light motion effect, this tool works great for that. And if you want to download the animation, you can do that directly. It'll save the video to your PC in high quality, and you can see how HD and clear it looks. Now, there are a few more things that I want to show you here, so let's go back and explore further. Okay, so once you're back, you'll see a few more options here. For example, if you want to generate your video in landscape, portrait, or square, Whishk.AI gives you all those options right here. Now, I'm going to paste another prompt here so we can test it out. And if you're wondering what all those things on the left side mean, don't worry, I'll explain that right after this prompt finishes generating. So let's press Enter and wait a little while for it to create the image. In the meantime, let me tell you something useful. All the images that you generate here are completely free, but for videos, the platform works on a credit system. I think it gives you about 10 free credits that you can use to make videos, but still, all the image generations are unlimited and free. Alright, now these are the images it has created for us, and wow, they actually look really cute. Let's try animating one of them too. Even though I mentioned earlier that Whishk.AI can struggle with complex animations, it's still fun to test it out and see what kind of results we get. Sometimes, the videos it generates have a few really good moments that you can use, like just a few seconds that look perfect, but then something weird or unrealistic happens afterward. So, let's challenge it with a more difficult prompt and see how it performs. I'll type make her sip the coffee while she continues to work and press Enter. It's going to take some time to load, so let's wait a bit and then play the video once it's ready. Okay, let's see what it did. As you can see, the first few seconds, when she's holding the coffee cup, actually look really good. And when she starts sipping it, that part is especially nice and realistic. But then you can notice that the coffee cup handle switches sides, which looks a bit odd. Still, that sipping moment is very well done, so if you ever want to use a small portion of the animation, you can just trim that part out. As I said before, Whishk.AI does a good job handling simple movements, but when the animation becomes complex, it can get a little messy. Anyway, this is exactly what I wanted to show you here. Now let's go back, and I'll explain the other tools and options available in this panel. Okay, so now let's talk about this dice icon that you see here. What this dice basically does is help you come up with prompt ideas. Once you click on it, it'll automatically generate a random prompt for you. If you don't like the one it gives, just click again, and every time you click, a new prompt will appear. So let's keep clicking until we find something that we actually like. Alright, I think this one works well. It says something that fits a male model posing in natural daylight wearing casual suit wear. Let's go with that. Just press enter, and there you go, it has generated a very cool and realistic image for us. We'll go with the first one because it looks great. Now, I wanted to explain this panel on the left side that you've probably noticed. First, expand this panel, and you'll see three options: subject, scene, and style. Let's start with subject. We'll click and drag our generated image into the subject area. It'll take a few seconds to analyze the image and understand it. You can also use a photo from your own computer if you want, but for now, I'm using the image we just made. Next is the scene section. The same logic applies here. You can add text, upload an image from your PC, or click on the dice icon to generate a random scene. Just like before, if you don't like what it generates, click again, and a new idea will appear. If you want to remove a scene, click the recycle bin icon, and then click the dice again for another one. Let's keep doing that until we find something we like. Okay, this one looks nice, let's go with it. If you want to see it in a bigger view, just click on it, and it'll open up with a more detailed description. You can even edit the text or add more details before pressing enter, and it'll generate an updated image or layout based on your changes. Now let's move to the style section. This works exactly the same way. You can add text, upload an image, or use the dice option again to get random style ideas. Let's click on the dice here too and see what it gives us. You can also stack multiple styles instead of replacing them. Let's try that. This one looks really good, so let's check out its details. Once you open it, you'll see a Describe Your Edit option. This is where you can tell the AI exactly what kind of change you want to make. For example, I can type "make it more bright" and then press enter. It'll take a few moments to process, and then it'll generate two similar design options for you to choose from. You can see how impressive this feature is. It's quick and gives you really creative variations. Now, once you've finalized your subject, scene, and style, all you have to do is click on enter again. Whishk.AI will take a bit of time to process everything together, but when it's done, it'll generate something really cool by combining your selected subject, chosen scene, and preferred style. Okay, as you can see, it has now perfectly combined everything. The model we selected is being used as the subject, the scene is exactly what we chose earlier, and the style is that same cool one we picked before. The result looks really good. Now, if you want to change the aspect ratio of your image, you can easily do that too. It'll take a few seconds to process, and then it will generate a new version of your image in the portrait aspect ratio that you selected. It's such a cool feature because it lets you instantly reframe your design without losing any detail. Let's try adding something else to it as well. For example, if you want to make the boots of the model visible, you can simply type "make his shoes visible too" in the prompt box and hit generate. It'll again take a few seconds to create, and once it's done, there you go. The new image now includes the boots, and it looks so much better. The results are really impressive considering how quickly it processes the changes. Now, let's switch back to the landscape option and continue from there. Okay, now let's go ahead and delete the current scene and try selecting some other scenes instead. If you haven't clicked on the recycle bin, it'll just keep adding the new ones below, and that can get a bit messy, so we're not going to do that right now. Let's just keep clicking until we find a nice scene that fits our next prompt. Alright, this one looks really good, let's go with it. Now, let's also change the style this time. Keep clicking on the dice again, and you'll see different styles appear. Okay, here's an embroidered style that's quite interesting. Let's see what Whishk.AI does with it. For anyone who loves embroidery style visuals, this is such a unique and creative option to experiment with. So let's press enter and wait a few moments. You can change the subject if you want, but if you don't, just go ahead and click enter again. And wow, look at that! It's created the most beautiful embroidery version of the image. This is so cool, it actually looks hand-stitched and detailed, that's really impressive. Alright, now let's move on. This time, let's change the subject completely. A sleek luxury car parked under city lights. And then press enter. Once the image is ready, we'll do the same thing we did before. Drag and drop it into the subject area so it can analyze the car. After it's done analyzing, let's select a good scene that fits the look. And then also choose a style. I think this one here looks pretty good. It's got that cartoonish or anime style vibe, so let's press enter and see how it turns out. Okay, so it looks like in this case, the scene has taken over a bit too much of the composition, and it's not giving us the result we wanted. No worries, let's delete this scene and select another one instead. I think this new one will work much better, so let's press enter again. Now this looks much cooler. It has created a really stylish image with great lighting and balance. Now, for the last part, let's try animating this image. Let's right here make the camera circle slowly around the car, highlighting its curves and reflections, and press enter. Or we can also try make the camera move slowly around the car. Okay, press enter and wait a little while for it to create the animation for us. Once it's ready, let's play it and see how it looks. Wow, this time it actually did a really decent job. The movement looks smooth, and the reflections on the car are highlighted beautifully. So, this was Whishk.AI, an amazing tool that not many people know about but is definitely worth exploring. I hope this video was helpful for you. If it was, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe to Ace Designs for more creative content like this.